Hi, I'm Toby, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble Vivo's gray clamp-on desk privacy panels. Whether you're wanting to divide one work area into multiple sections, or simply to surround your desk with privacy panels, these dividers will get the job done by attaching to desks between 0.4 and 1.4 inches in thickness. These privacy panels come in two different lengths, 24-inch and 60-inch, perfect for Vivo's electric height-adjustable desks. There are two ways to assemble the panels: flush with the desk and gap fit, which gives you a little extra space to organize cables or attach desk accessories. For the first option, simply attach the clamps to the panels using the included smaller M6x30 screws and washers. For gap fit, attach the clamps using the longer M6x40 screws, washers, and included plastic spacers. If you want the privacy panels on the lower part of the desk, simply turn the clamps 180 degrees before installing. Now your panels are all assembled and ready to attach to your desk. All that's left to do is customize your space and let creativity flow, using the tackable material to pin up photos, fun quotes, to-do lists, and more.